Mandala Halloween coloring pages are such a great thing to add to your printable collection and packages, as well as, even making this into a themed coloring book. As you can see here, I have a pumpkin that is this completed mandala image, and it was actually quite easy to create this in Canva using one of my cutout templates. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I'm working with. Here you can see I have 9 flowers, just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different flowers. Now these are SVG files that have been imported into Canva, and they scale. So that means that this is scalable vector graphic, and I leave that on the one page, and you can see this is titled Flower SVGs. Now here's where the magic is created. It is the pumpkin cutout. And I'm just going to go ahead and share with you what this is going to look like in creating an image or a coloring page just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of these flowers, and I'm just going to duplicate it. And then I'm going to take this flower and bring it down to my page here. Now one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scale it holding my shift key, and I'm just going to place these on top of the lines where the pumpkin outline is, and just go ahead and duplicate this one and bring this down as well. Now you're probably wondering, what's this going to look like? How are you going to do this with the lines of the pumpkin underneath? And just bear with me really quick here while I just set this up for us, and I'll show you where the magic is going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one and bring that down, and then we can just position this wherever we would want. Now once I get like a good amount of these already into the page below where we're going to make the cutout final page, I'll just go ahead and just duplicate them from here. So let's say I'm going to do here, and then we can just kind of size a little bit. To double check this to see what it's going to look like, I'm going to highlight or actually select cutout page, which is the big rectangle. Okay, and then I'm going to go to position, and then I'm going to have it bring it forward. And you can see all my flowers are behind the outline cutout. Now to continue, I'm just going to go ahead and bring and push that to the back, not bring it to the back, but I'm going to push it to the back. And then we're just going to, add more different coloring mandalas, different flowers, patterns. As you see, this is pretty simple to do, pretty easy. You can let your imagination go wild, different sizes. Let's go ahead and just start using some of these. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one. Like I said, the goal is to just fill up the page. It doesn't take long, and then we can just double check what that looks like by selecting the big rectangle and move that to the front. Not too bad. A little bit overpowering, but with that big flower there, but we can always fix that. So I'm going to hit the position and then go to the back. I'm going to select that flower and just scale it down, and maybe just move it over here. And let's go ahead and check it. Select the big rectangle, go to position, and to the front. So there you have it. You can create these type of coloring page mandalas, as many as you want, different sizes, different shapes, different designs and so forth. I hope that you enjoy this and give it a try out. And if you would, feel free to send me a copy of it. I'd love to see it, send me a screenshot, and I'd love to have your feedback on this project as well.